How to fix photos disappearing issue on Moco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on files app. After click on files app, you will see check your hidden files, zip and archived. After check your hidden and archive files, you will see. After check, go back and click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, after click on gallery app, click on this, scroll down and click on this three lines icon and click on settings and click on recently deleted items. After click on recently deleted items, so you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can photo disappearing issue on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.